Guys, I had a ball last night, okay? I had a ball. And if y'all following my snap, y'all will see exactly what went down. I want taco. I want tacos. I think I'm gonna go. Should I go? I wanna go get me some smell goods from the mall. But that's kind of what I wanna do. But I'm gonna handle my business first. Cause the furnace just went out in the house, y'all. So I gotta go get Keyshawn. Keyshawn is an engineer, but I gotta go grab him real quick so that I can see, so he can come and fix my furnace. Oh, bad. I'm mad as hell. Hell. Oh, bad. That's all I gotta say. I'm about to go get some gas and then go grocery shopping. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do today, y'all. I'm about to get gas, go grocery shopping, and then I'll be getting the kids a little later. And I guess that's gonna be my day for today. And I'm sleepy right now, low key, but I'm trying to push myself because I don't have, since A's been locked up, I don't have much time to do anything, okay? I have the kids all the time. I don't get to break away to go do nothing at all. So I'm taking my time right now to be able to do everything that I need to do. Drop off checks, do this, do that, and you feel me? It's on and popping, y'all. It's on and popping. Yeah. Y'all, hands down, so far, this is the best chalupa I ever ate in my life. Oh my God, it's so good. Yo, that junk just dripped out on me, dog. Watch out. This junk juicy as hell. And y'all, my favorite slushy, Airhead. I feel like a fat girl right now. I love eating food when it's nice and fresh. Don't give me nothing old. Yo, I will wait 15 minutes at a place to make sure I get my food fresh. I give everybody 15 minutes. And when I talk to the lady, I'll be like, hi, can I have so-and-so and so-and-so? I don't mind waiting 15 minutes for it to be fresh. Thank you. About to grab some gas. I just had to come show y'all this damn chalupa. Best one I ever had so far. Make sure y'all stop at Taco Bell right now. Get you a chalupa. Make sure your bread is fresh. And let them know Ching sent you. Y'all, I'm out at Claire's right now. Picking up earrings. I want me some hoops that's not gonna change, so I got these. Really got a few different kinds. And none of Claire's earrings change color, so that's why I want some. Very badly. Ooh, those are cute. Are these rose golds? Ooh. don't want my junk to change. Look at this choker, y'all. This is so cute. It's real cute. These are ones I need. Different colors. Buy one, get one, 50% off. Yes, Jesus. But yeah, guys, I'll get to y'all when I get to the next place. Love y'all.
What were you doing? What were you supposed to do this weekend?
Okay, so these aren't going to change, right?
What you mean?
No, those change over time.
Yeah,
They do?
But I mean,
Okay.
are you going to wear them like
Often, yeah.
but not in the shower?
Yeah, I was gonna say,
Like, I had mine.
mine are a couple months old, and
Yeah,
Okay.
but as long as you don't wear them in the shower.
they last
Because I
a
wear
lot
mine every
longer.
Okay.
So do
Just
I.
not.
Yeah,
I'll
I
take
have
them.
to buy, like, I usually keep a gold and a silver pair, and I
Yeah, I just officially went crazy up in Claire's, y'all. And it took all my money, okay? My first love. Okay, my first love. I'm gonna try not to go too crazy up in here. Hello. How are you? Oh, look at that. Ooh, cheetah bra. Do not play with me. Oh, Jesus, that is beautiful. I ain't trying to molest it. Look, who is this guy? What the hell is going on? Hey, hitting it. Hey, who is that? I'm gonna get Love Spell and Love Addiction. Okay, so be on the lookout. These are my favorite too, though. And I like Pure Seduction too. Pure Seduction is that red one over there. Let me see if I can zoom in to it for y'all. That one right there. That's Pure Seduction, y'all. Okay. So I just saved $7. I gotta buy one, get one free somehow, y'all. What the heck is up with that? I'm proud of this visitation, okay? Proud. So y'all, I just changed my nose ring out. How do it look? I'm gonna get the clothes. I'm gonna close it when I get to the car. I think it's cute though. Y'all, let's get it. Y'all see these glasses though? Match my outfit. They look cute. These the Gucci's, yo. Gucci. Yeah, I'm about to grab the boys some shoes. Look at these. I like these. Got the little purple in them. And they on sale. I'm gonna get them some of these. I don't know who's gonna be whose, but we'll see. They both sweet though. I'm trying to see how much these is. The ones that like the Yeezys. Very satisfied. I got my slushy. You already know how I feel about that. Leaving 12 Oaks. Bye-bye. See you later. It's about to be lit. I'm gonna go home and get the boys their shoes and we gonna see what they think, y'all. Okay, y'all. So, I just made it home. I got the boys here. I done had them clean up the room, clean up their stuff so that they can get their surprise. Now, y'all was with me earlier when I went and bought them some new shoes. And here are Junior's. Here go Junior's new shoes. He making a mess in here, but yeah. New J's. He got milk on this one, but. So I was like, it wouldn't be fair if I didn't get Major and Keno shoes. So here are the shoes, y'all. And I didn't pick a specific pair for a specific person. I figured that they would kind of choose what they would like more. But here go the shoes. Here's one pair of shoes. Real nice, real nice. Okay, crispy. Then here go another pair. And they both wear the same size shoes, so. Boys look sweet too, right? So yeah, guys. I'm about to set them up for them. And kind of whichever one runs to whichever shoe is going to be the shoe that they get to have, pretty much. I didn't want them to have the same shoes though, you know? Okay, y'all, so let's get their reaction. I have it sitting here like this. Okay. Keno and Major, come here. Come here. Stop right there. Close your eyes. Yep. Turn the hall light on right here. Turn the hall light on. Okay, stand right here. Eyes closed. Take my hand, both of y'all. Keep them closed. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now, open your eyes and look over there.
Whoa!
Pick them. Pick which one you want.
I want these ones.
Which one you want, Major?
These ones. I want these ones.
You like those ones, Keno?
What's in here?
That's what it was. It was shoes.
What's the piece of bag?
Look at your shoes.
I want to wear these ones.
You like those?
Yeah.
You want to try them on?
Yeah. I think these fit me.
You gotta take your shoes off. Let me see. Yeah, but these boys sweet though. Oops, I done dropped it. This boy's sweet. Don't take the tags off, baby, yet. We gotta make sure they fit real good. Just take your shoes off. Okay, Major. Turn around. You like them? Let's see. Ooh, those are nice. What about you, Keno? Let's see yours. Pull your pants leg up. Pull them up. We can't see the shoe. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, y'all got some Adidas on. What's your victory dance? Let us see it. Hey, 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 hey. Turn up. Turn up. What about you, Major? What you got? Oh, whoa, whoa. He in them new shoes getting it. Hey, hey. So what do you say when someone give you something?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Give me a kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Love y'all. Well, YouTube, they like their shoes and they both agreed to a certain pair. So that was cool. As always, love y'all and I hope y'all enjoyed this. Talk to y'all soon.
Baby, I need